Does her behavior seem a little different around you? Maybe she gives you those subtle hints, but you're just not sure? In today's video, we'll uncover 3 surprising signs she might have a crush on you. Stick around till the end for a fun quiz to test your instincts. Let's dive right into the first sign. You might not have noticed it before, but it says a lot. Sign 1. She asks for your help frequently. Studies published in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships suggest that when someone is attracted to you, they look for ways to connect, even if it's by asking for help with simple things like fixing her phone or deciding what to wear. Think about it. Has she recently started asking you for advice or help, even for things she can handle on her own? It might be her way of spending more time with you. Sign 2. She shares personal details about her life. According to a study from Harvard, self-disclosure is a key element of attraction. If she's opening up about her fears, dreams, or past experiences, it's a sign she feels close to you and wants you to know her better. Does she share things with you that she wouldn't normally tell just anyone? That's a big hint. Sign 3. She notices the smallest things about you. Psychologists say that when someone likes you, they pay extra attention to details. She might compliment you on a shirt you wore weeks ago, or notice changes in your mood before anyone else does. Did you know that people with a crush often recall 90% more details about their interactions with the person they like than others? If she remembers the small stuff, she's into you. Now let's see if you've been picking up on these signs. Answer these quick questions to find out. 1. Does she text or call you just to chat about nothing in particular? 2. Does she remember little things you've said or done? 3. Does she seem genuinely interested in your opinions, even on random topics? If you answered yes to at least 2 of these, you might just have a secret admirer. If this video helped you spot the signs, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun insights on attraction and relationships.